Facilities across every industry are under pressure to clean more effectively and thoroughly than ever before, while operating under shrinking budgets and increased financial scrutiny. They are also faced with more prevalent environmental and worker safety regulations. Those goals are within reach with NCL's chemical management systems. NCL knows what makes dispensing systems work, and we have put our over 70 years of expertise into these programs to create simple, cost-effective, and performance-driven dilution systems. No matter how large or small your facility, there is an NCL chemical management system for you which will deliver the following benefits. Main Squeeze puts the convenience of precise dilution in the palm of your hand. No equipment to be installed and no plumbing requirements. Just squeeze and pour. Ready, Set, Clean combines cleaning performance, economy, versatility, portability, and value with the greatest of ease in this closed-loop system. Dual Blend offers everything you want in a chemical management system. It's easy to operate in both wall-mounted and portable dispensers with a full range of peak performance products. The wall-mounted dispenser allows you to switch effortlessly between 4 different concentrates, all securely locked in the cabinet. Facilities may also opt for the Dual Blend Junior. The single concentrate modular unit is the perfect complement to a complete dual blend system or the solution for facilities where space is at a premium. Whichever system you choose will produce effective cleaning, economic efficiency, environmental sustainability, increased worker safety, and unmatched reliability. Chemical management system products are highly concentrated. Using the exclusive NCL cost calculator on nclonline.com, you can see for yourself how far these concentrates stretch your budget dollars. Facilities effectively clean for pennies per day. The highly concentrated products also require less packaging to be discarded and wasted. The single concentrate container for Dual Blend number 1 EarthSense Glass and Window Cleaner yields over 250 quarts of cleaning solution. Automated dilution systems ensure the perfect water-to-product ratio each and every time for maximum product effectiveness. No more overruns and wasted product to drive up your expenses. Closed-loop systems also eliminate possible contact from the chemical concentrates on workers, keeping them safe. Chemical management systems are easy to use. Very little training is required, so even novices on your staff will be able to use these systems with no problems and the greatest of ease. No longer will labor, time, and money be wasted with staff waiting around for a senior staff member to prepare an in-use solution. The precise dilution means a greatly reduced chance of user mistakes, resulting in less wasted product and money. The closed-loop system is safer for workers, and the easy one-press automation increases speed and efficiency, allowing your maintenance staff to complete their tasks quickly and with less labor costs. The chemical management system concentrates are designed to only work with the proprietary dilution equipment, decreasing the chances of inventory shrinkage from workers taking product home for personal use. The systems also take up a small physical footprint, so every facility is big enough to accommodate a system. And last but not least, a key aspect to chemical management systems which makes them ideal for your facility is their versatility. Whether it's high flow options into a mop bucket or low flow into a quart spray bottle, there's an option for you. Your choice between wall-mounted or portable, and the wide variety of different cleaning options for floor maintenance, glass and multi-surface cleaning, restroom and bowl cleaning, disinfectants and sanitizers, degreasers, and malodor counteractants. Whether you're operating a large college campus or a neighborhood corner store, there is an NCL chemical management system solution ideal for you.